Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Virtuous Shon and you are tuning in to the real life chronicles of a mom, wife, and boss. Now y'all, I've been seeing these Bohemian Box Braids all over Instagram and I've been dying to get them done. What you're looking at right now are my 3-month-old quarantine braids that I'm going to be removing to do this style. For the products I'm going to be using, 52-inch pre-stretch 100% Canacolon hair, and I will go ahead and link all of them in the description below. I also have a Bohemian hair I'll be crocheting in, and this is crochet Bohemian hair. Keeping it super simple, I'm going to be using rubber band method, so I have my shine and hold jam as well as some small black rubber bands and just 2 utensils, which is going to be my crochet tool and a rat tail comb. So let's take these braids out. All right, so braids are taking out. My hair has been washed and blow dried. So to make it easier to manage, I'm just going to go ahead and start sectioning off so I can get my parts done. And I will be using a rubber band method because for me, that's the easiest way to do it. And now being 5 months pregnant, I did want to do these a medium jumbo size just because I like to stand when I do my own hair and I really don't have that energy to stand being 5 months pregnant to do smaller braids, so wanted to keep it simple. Now I will say this does take me the most amount of time, making sure the parts are not crooked and also making sure that they are all the same size. So I do have a mirror that my son is currently playing with that I use to help me make sure those parts in the back are straight. So all of the parts are in, rubber bands are on, it's all sectioned off. Really like it. So I'm gonna put my son down to bed so we can start braiding. All right, my son is down. I have a few braids in. This is moving a little quickly, which I am really enjoying. So just wanted to stop to show you my method of how I am attaching those braids. So I have 2 sections. As you can see, one section is a little bit smaller because I'm going to be looping it in to do a 3-strand method. And once I put that shine and hold jam on my hair, it did make it a little bit more thinner. So I was able to easily attach it and just feed the hair in, which made the process move a lot quicker. Now I do realize that my hands are in the way, as well as the camera's a little far back. So I'm going to give you another shot up close of how that looks when I attach it, which is right here. So same process, 3 strands, and I'm just wrapping it around, feeding it in to attach it. All right, so all the braids are in. So now I'll show you how I attach the Bohemian hair. So mine's coming in a pack. We're just in these little loops. What I like to do is first decide the right placement of it. So I just kind of play around, see exactly where I want it to be placed at, which makes more sense for me. And then because I didn't want it to be so bouncy, I just split it in half because that was more of the look I was going for. So to attach it, I'm using the crochet tool. I'm going to put it through the braid. And then I'm going to attach the hair in effort to pulling it through with that tool. Now with this, it's important to keep your finger on that loop where the crochet tool is because you want to be able to have a grip to pull it through. And because I didn't keep that loop, it made it really hard on this time to pull it through. So I don't know what I'm pulling. So now I just have to redo it over. And it's okay. Luckily, you don't have to do this on so many braids. So I just was patient and took my time. Round 2, pushing that tool through, putting that hair on. I'm just gonna close it with my hand this time, making sure I have my finger placed where that loop is opening. Now I'm able to easily pull the hair through. Now it does get a little snagged, and which makes the hair a little frizzy, but that's okay because I'll show you a better clip of what to do to define those curls again. And I'm absolutely loving this style. I kind of forgot I was recording and just started playing with it. I'm that girl. I like to play in my hair. All right, so here's a closer tool of me attaching the Bohemian hair on. And now remember, when you're pulling it through for this hair, it did get a little frizzy, especially since I separated it more for the look I was going for, and it did get a little snags a little bit when I'm trying to pull it through the braid. But I'll show you now what I do to redefine that curl, to make it back pretty where you can at least see it and it's not so frizzy. Just using a Shine and Hold Jam. Take a little bit on my finger, I'm just gonna rub it through, and that really helped to define that curl and remove some of that frizz and help it not snag. Pretty. All right, y'all, all the braids are in, Bohemian hair is attached, but these ends have got to go. So I'm gonna dip them in hot water and I'll show you the results. I love this style. I absolutely love it. So not including the time it took me to take down my old braids, it only took me about 6 hours from start to finish to get this hairstyle done. And I'm so happy that it cost me less than $50. You know, being an entrepreneur, I really just don't have the time or the extra money, honestly, to spend on luxuries like getting my hair done or nails done, because I just like to reinvest back into my business. So I'm really happy with this, the way it turned out, and I hope you all like it. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video on my DIY Bohemian box braids with my daughter in the back making noise. She's supposed to be my camera assistant. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I'll have to do hers next. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. I am not a hair tutorial channel, so I just wanted to make this for people who want to save some money and save some time without having to book an appointment. But again, thank y'all for watching. Bye. Daddy. Okay. Daddy. All right. Okay. Well, bye-bye.